Thanks for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we explore a significant case study in emerging market strategy, GE HealthCare's long-term investment in Brazil's diagnostic imaging sector. This move highlights how multinational MedTech companies can successfully localize operations to foster growth and increase market penetration. Brazil, with its rapidly expanding healthcare market in the late 2000s, represented a major opportunity. Recognizing this, GE Healthcare initiated a strategic push to establish a local manufacturing presence. The first major step was announced on May 1, 2008, when the company declared its intention to build its first-ever X-ray manufacturing facility in South America, right in Brazil. This was the cornerstone of their In Latin America, for Latin America initiative, a strategy focused on producing high-quality, affordable products tailored to the region's specific needs. Following this announcement, the plan moved forward quickly. On July 22, 2010, GE Healthcare officially opened its factory in the city of Contagem, Minas Gerais. This milestone was backed by a planned $50 million investment spread over 10 years. The facility was not just an assembly line. It was a comprehensive manufacturing hub. Initially, it focused on producing X-ray and mammography equipment, as well as remanufacturing existing diagnostic imaging systems to improve affordability. The company also laid out plans for future expansion, with production of PET, CT, and MRI systems slated to begin in 2011. GE's commitment extended beyond manufacturing. The strategy included significant investment in human capital and local development. In 2011, the company planned to launch its first training center for GE Healthcare engineers in Latin America, focusing on knowledge transfer and qualifying local suppliers to meet global standards. Furthermore, by 2013, in partnership with GE's Global Research Center in Brazil, the company aimed to begin developing new equipment specifically designed to meet the unique clinical and economic needs of the Brazilian market. This approach demonstrates a deep understanding that true market access isn't just about selling products, but about building a sustainable local ecosystem that supports long-term growth, creates jobs, and ultimately improves healthcare access for the population. If your company is navigating the complexities of global market access for medical devices, Pure Global can help. We offer end-to-end regulatory consulting to streamline your entry into over 30 markets. For more information and to access our free AI tools and database, please check the description. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.